Warm welcome to each of you today for this press conference. We are honored and delighted to have the representative from the various print, electronic, digital and social media platforms amidst us regarding the despite of their busy schedule they are here. So we are delighted with your presence and once again welcome to one and all. A big thanks to each of you for sparing your valuable time with us. Before I start the agenda of the press conference, let me take this opportunity to introduce the panel in front of us. I am Akhilesh Singh, Head of Project NTPC Bogaigaon. I have assumed charge of this office on 22nd of May 2024. That is only about 2 months back. I have humbly completed 3 decades because I joined NTPC in 1993. So almost it is more than 33 years that I am working with NTPC. And it has been a great opportunity to working with this Maharatna company. And this is the first time in my career that I have come to the Northeast. And Assam is a very beautiful place. Really, I was delighted seeing the natural beauty coming from Guwahati to this place. First time my journey was through road, and after that I took this Vande Bharat. It was really nice. With me, here is my colleague GM Sri Reddy sir and Mr. Ashutosh Viswas, GM Operation. Along with these senior person, we have Mr. Paresh Mathurji, AGM TS, and Sri Onkar Nathji, HOHR, and AGM HR. Let me share that today I am extremely elated and pleased to share some numerous news regarding the significant milestone achieved by our station in area of operation, sustainable practices, CSR activities, and different flagship projects of the NTPC Bogaigaon. That is, one of them is Girl Empowerment Program. Every year, with the help of Department of Education BTC, 40 girl child of the age group less than 12. Normally it is class 6th. Girls are being intaken and they undergone training for 1 month. During this, we empower them with the facility of not only the subject, that is physics, chemistry, math, and all that, the computer, their self-defense, health and hygiene, and what is good touch, what is bad touch, and what they want to be in future. That inspiration, becoming a doctor, engineer, or a fresh person, or a scientist, whatever you want to do, that we incorporate in that. And through this media, we at NTPC express our heartiest gratitude to the entire district administration and BTC head Sri Pramod Boro Sahab for their full support towards the advancement of the power sector in the country. I take this opportunity that NTPC Bogaigaon today is excelling in all the fronts. We are transforming the journey in the mind of the best interest of the stakeholders. We do the survey, and based on the need survey, we implement our CSR activity in the different field. And NTPC as a whole is having an installed capacity of 76,048 megawatt as on today, and almost this is the more than 25% India's generation. So we are supporting that, and throughout the country our presence is there. For Northeast, this is the only project. And here we are having a 3 units of 250 megawatt each. And our performance, operational performance is at par with one of the best power plant in India and abroad. Regarding the community development and all that, my friend Sri Omkarnath ji, he will explain you about the CSR activities which has been taken in different part of this area. Regarding the social and the community investment, that has been well taken by my friend in the initial time itself. For environment, this is a very good environment and we are using the new technology, and at the same time we are going for the FGD, that is the flue gas desulfurization. Through this we will be try to remove the SO2 from the flue gas. That is under construction and hopefully by the 25 it will be operational. Regarding the different highlights that my friend Mr. Paresh Mathur will give you a small presentation regarding the parameters and all that. But we are doing our level best to represent not only the NTPC but supporting the country in the field of power sector. As you all know, this plant Salakati was earlier run by the Assam State Electricity Board and there was 4 units of 60 megawatt each. During that time, the plant load factor of this plant was around 24%. And in 2006, it was decided to be, this plant should be given to NTPC. From there, our journey started. We made our presence in the society. And our first unit was synchronized in the month of December 2016, after that 17, and the last unit in 2029. Since then, we are doing our level best to support the society in the different field, not only in the field of generation, power generation, but education, health, and infrastructure development. So this is all about NTPC Bogaigaon. I once again thank you all for coming all the way to this place, and today evening you will see the gem girls who has been trained for 1 month for their performance. So because tomorrow will be a busy day, so we thought that you should be given ample opportunity to interact with these girls, at the same time have the feel of the program, and your support has been to NTPC since beginning, and I wish that same should continue in future also, because press is the 4th pillar of the democracy and its importance and significance is much more. What we are doing here will be not known to the stakeholders and the society till your support and guidance is not there. So though it has been delayed that after 2 years we are meeting, but this type of meeting will be arranged on regular basis in future. I will ensure, and our team is motivated with the support of my team and with the support of you. This NTPC Bogaigaon will reach still higher level of not only in the performance in the field of power generation, but for the different CSR activities. Thank you.
मोनसे फोसावथाय नोंथांमोननि ओनसोलाव सोरबाफोर ड्राग्स एबा फेग्रा मुवाजों नाख्रेबजानानै थानाय सुबुं दं नामा? जुदि नोंथांमोननि ओनसोलाव सोरबाफोर ड्राग्स एबा फेग्रा मुवाजों नाख्रेबजानानै थानाय सुबुं दं, अब्ला नोंथांमोननि थाखाय मोनसे मोजां खौरां। ड्राग्स एबा फेग्रा मुवाजों नाख्रेबजानानै थानाय सुबुंफोरखौ फाहामथाय होनो थाखाय नोंथांमोननि गेजेराव लानानै फैदों मोनसे रिहाबिलिटेसन सेन्टार। जुदि नोंथांनि नखराव आरो नोंथांनि ओनसोलाव सोरबाफोर ड्राग्स एबा फेग्रा मुवाजों नाख्रेबजानानै दं, अब्ला नोंथाङा रिहाबिलिटेसन सेन्टाराव फाहामथाय होफैनो हागोन। मंगलदै 1 नं बामुनपारा दरंआव थानाय रिभाइभ रिहाबिलिटेसन सेन्टाराव नोंथाङा ड्राग्स एबा फेग्रा मुवाजों गोदोसोनानै थानाय सुबुंफोरखौ फाहामथाय होफैनो हागोन। नोंथाङा नोंथांनि ओनसोलनि फेग्रा मुवाजों गोदोनानै थानाय सुबुंफोरखौ बे रिभाइभ रिहाबिलिटेसन सेन्टाराव फाहामथाय होनानै सासे राफोद आरो मोजां सुबुं खालामनो हागोन। गोबां बाथ्रा मिथिबावनो थाखाय नोंथाङा 9859262926 60030927006 नैबे होनाय जानबुं नम्बराव खौरां लानो हागोन।